Hi, Larry Chatt here, broker of Island Real Estate of Anna Maria Island, Inc. I'm here today to discuss real estate results for 2012 for Anna Maria Island. Island real estate dominates the local real estate market. There's lots of reasons why, but one of which is we only have full-time sales consultants. There's no weekend warriors here. That's extremely important when working with a real estate professional on a barrier island. Last but not least, these results come from Mid-Florida Multiple Listing Service, and they shouldn't be used as an absolute measure when determining the value of either a property you're buying or a property you're selling. It's only relative, so to help you understand what's happening in the local market. So let's talk about the reports. So the first chart shows the number of total transactions for Anna Maria Island real estate. You can see an upward improvement from 1993 to 2005 where we peaked, and then in 2006 we dropped off the cliff, and we've seen improvement ever since. One important note is that 2012, you can see, was the second best year ever. That's pretty significant in the scheme of the worldwide real estate market. The next chart, I want to break up what's happening for condos, multifamily or duplex, vacant land, residential, or single families. So this breaks up why last year was such a good year, and it's important to note if you're in the market to either sell or buy, what's happening in your specific micro market. So for duplexes or multifamily and vacant land, you'll see there's a nice improvement since 2008, 2009, but there's no huge peaks there. Same with condos. Nice improvement, continued demand, nice transactions improving, but the aqua line, which is single family or residential, spiked from 2009 to 2012, and in fact it created the best year ever for single families sold on Anna Maria Island. That's a tremendous change for us, especially thinking about a supply and demand curve. That demand is very high for single families, and of course it's creating upward market pressure on those prices. The next chart shows an even better indication of where prices could go as a relative measure from the past. So quickly, on the left side, the forest green scale shows the amount of inventory on Anna Maria Island for sale. So in 2006, you can see we peaked at over 700-800 properties for sale. When we measure that against demand, that produces the months of inventory on hand, which is the aqua right-hand scale. And you can see in that time frame of 2006, we had over 50 months of inventory on hand. Since then, you can see that's come down nicely into the 9-10 range for 2012. So when supply is low and demand is high, we all know that pressures the market pricing to go higher. Well, when we measure that against 2005, when markets were appreciating dramatically, we can see there's upward pressure for market pricing on Anna Maria Island real estate. More specifically, from the last chart, there's a huge amount of pressure on single families to go up in price, and we're seeing that today. And duplexes, multifamily, and condos are more a moderate upward pressure. I hope those results help you in your Anna Maria Island search for property, or if you're planning to sell. Of course, we would love the opportunity to help. You can visit our website for more information, islandreal.com, or call us toll-free, 877-778-6066. Thanks so much for your time today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.